All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing? It's a good day to trade gold. All right. So it's Thursday 29th. Gold is at 5,550. Gold is just blasting. Yesterday we had FOMC statement. Let's refresh Forex Factory here. They kept the rates the same. The rates were kept the same. We'll have unemployment claims by 2:30 p.m. today, but that's basically it. So let's go ahead and do our analysis for today. On the daily is very obvious what to see on the daily. Let's remove analysis from yesterday. From yesterday we had a buy. We had a buy. And since then we've been very bullish. Man. So let's remove all these drawings. The daily is bullish as we saw. The 4 hours time frame is currently looking bearish, but that's basically it. But we're still bullish on the 4 hours. On the 1 hour time frame, we are creating a support. Sorry. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have created a support in this area, and also we have a resistance at 5,060 area, basically. So let's go to what makes sense now. All right. So it's basically going to be a waiting game today for gold. It's going to be a waiting game for gold today. Let's say the 15, and we could now adjust this. All right, so for gold, the best thing to do is just to avoid this range here totally. This is a range that we need to avoid totally. Because there is absolutely nothing to do. So for buys, I would say if we break and close above 5,580 area, 590 or even 600, then we can potentially keep pushing to the upside. Buys above. For sales, sales will be below this area here. You know, these days we really find it so difficult to get sales on gold these days because the trend is very bullish. In fact, the best thing anybody should look for on gold is just, wait for a support, no trade range. Wait for a support and look for that buys, because that's what makes sense this period for gold. So this is our range now that we've established. Buys above and sells below. We cannot touch gold in this range. Anything you do in this range will be used against you in the court of price action. So we'll have to wait at this point. We'll have to wait. Mr. Vin, good morning, man. How you doing? Let's look at news. Trump weighing major strike on Iran after diplomatic discussions failed to progress. These people are now saying something every single day here now. Gold volatility explode as price trades like a meme stock. Interesting. Everybody everybody should actually be very careful with trading gold these days. So let me see what my guy is doing. I think he was live. Yeah.
Of this candle, and just like don't have a bottom wick as well, so I'm anticipating volume to push it to the upside. And you know what, if anyhow this candle just like going to be closed in a bullish one like this second candle, if it's just like going to be closed in a bullish one, then there's a higher probability with the opening of London it will keep pushing to the upside.
My bro
So
is on a
I think so.
buy.
Let's wait. There's just like 10 minutes left for the London opening. Actually, I'm just like waiting here.
My bro is in a buy. You took a buy, bro?
Don't like the volume, the way it's just like moving right now. Moving like
Man,
a snail.
no. I don't want to do anything in this range here.
But look at the rejection, the quickly rejection is
Absolutely
just like
nothing.
getting from the downside. Should be continuously pushing upside. At least somewhere here.
I hope it works for you, bro. And we are about 9 minutes to
Okay.
London Open.
So Vic is much bigger. Okay, no. How many pips you are planning? Okay, I just like already answered this one. The 1 hour candle don't look good. Okay. If the 5 minute candle is bullish, you will transfer the SL. No. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just like keeping my SL here. We'll see how this candle is like going to be. I just like need to believe my structure here actually. If once I just like jump into the into some execution, now I just like need to believe it. That's it. If it's just like not gonna work out, I need to manage the risk. If it's just like gonna work out, I just like need to manage the risk in both ways. That's it. I just like don't want you to get into any kind of overthinking.
Man,
So if I'm just like getting
man,
involved into overthinking, how I can be a part of any.
man, this guy is taking a very big risk. Well, that is what makes trading fun at the end of the day because everyone has, what everyone has what they are looking out for. Everybody has what they're looking out for. So it makes it fun at the end of the day. For me, I cannot do anything in this particular range. This particular range here is an area of concern for me. I will need, go to push, close above here, retest, then we can have a continuation. Or close below here, then we would have a retracement. But taking a buy where it is right now and having 7 minutes to like London Open, I think is very risky job for me to do because I don't like it. It's a very risky job for me to do. So I'm going to wait. I am going to wait for something that makes sense to me. But I hope he gets it. He's just about 3 pips. Just about 3 pips. But this is not the type of trade I want to take.
Something gonna cooking here. Yes.
Maybe if the 30 minutes closes bullish, you know, if it closes strong bullish, and the next 30 minutes should,
Same execution, but I have some profits from one Asia trade. Oh, that's great.
and the next
I'm
30
sitting
minutes
in
should
losses
break
actually.
the
It's like wanted it to
the
continuously
previous
pushing
30
upside.
minute highs, then he
Something
could
I just like
he
needed
could
here.
potentially survive that trade. But for me, I don't want
That's
to
this
take even that
H1.
buys there
Just like rejecting, pushing
because
up, pushing
we are in
down,
this range.
jumping up, jumping down.
I need it to close above here.
Okay.
But let's wish him well.
How can I contact Dominion Markets for questions? You just like need to join their Discord, and you just like going to get a proper team there. Go and join their official Discord. You will just like get it on their website. The main thing that stopped me is the rule you told me to. Do you still consider it like no trace 50 minutes before London Open? Yeah, that is the thing actually, but 6 minutes left and I don't want to miss it. It doesn't mean that every time it's like reacting the same way, but if it does, then it is whatever it is. But right now, I can see opportunity. The 1 hour candle is a high rejection candle, you think? 1 hour candle, high rejection candle, yeah. So what? It's still open. 6 minutes left, 5 minutes left for the candle to be closed. It's still open. Once this 30-minute candle is like going to be closed in a bullish one, it's not gonna stop. I wanted to take a risk for the next 5 minutes only, and then I will see what could be happen. Okay, anything trade holding all night? Amazing trade.
All right. 4 minutes to London Open. Four minutes. It's going to be a lot of waiting today. It's going to be a lot of waiting. but we'll have to wait, right? That's what we are good to do. Ivy, how are you? Good morning.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
I wish you the same. We're seeing you for the first time this year. You never enjoy finish for Bora Bora.
Oh, I know they enjoy you. I just did.
Now we'll
Is
go
it just me and you
vacation.
that don't do? Is it just me and you that don't this life?
Say again.
I'm not seeing other. Is it just me and you that don't this life?
No,
This
no, no, no.
have changed.
Just update your Zoom. You'll see other people. I think your Zoom is not updated. Kind of.
But it has changed. It's not like this before.
Oh, okay.
It has updated though. Okay, I've seen. Look,
Yeah.
there's video. See. I have new people. I don't know this Vicent person. I don't new people to the group.
Mr. Vin has been here. He has been here for the years. Let's look at GJ here. Man, GJ is pushing today. Very interesting. So we tapped that zone that we drew from the beginning of the week. We finally tapped it. We've broken and closed above it. But right now we need retracement before anything happens. But basically GJ is just what I just look at. I don't take any trade on GJ. I just basically look at it, and that is for the fun of looking at it. We have 1 minute to London Open. My guy, have you closed this trade? Did you close it? He did not close it, man. I wonder what you saw that you took a buy before London Open. For me, I don't want to touch God until like we break and close above this 5,600 area. 5,590, 595 to 5,600 area. Until we close above it, only then I'll be sure that we could have a move to continue to an upside. For now, I don't trust buying gold inside this range. But he saw something and he took a buy. So let's see. Let's
And 10
wish
seconds left.
let's wish him
7,
luck.
6,
London Open.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 30 minutes is like also close in a bullish form right now. M15 might be close with a small bearish one, but I'm just like gonna ignore this one. Don't need to worry about this.
He should
Try now 30 minutes, just like give me strong confirmation. H1 is like also closed, and
he should hope for this candle not to make a very long lower wick. If not, he will be in hot soup. This candle should just make just a lower wick a little bit, yeah, then flip. With the volume of London, this candle needs to break the 15-minute highs. If it doesn't break 15 minutes highs, he is going to be in a hot soup. Because if it doesn't break these highs and is breaking these 15 minutes lows, trust me, it's coming for that. It's coming for this support here. So if he's going to survive this trade, it needs to break the highs. It needs to break it. Yeah. Come on, do that for him, boy.
so let's see how it goes now with the opening of London. 1000 pip, okay, 1200. That's great. What's just like happening there? It's great actually. I like the way, just like oh, I don't like the way. Now you know what? now there is something I just like need to worry about. If this candle is like going to be break its own low, I need to close my 150% position there. Like this one it should not be break like that. So opening of London should be continuously pushing upside.
London
So
open go
0.0.
wine you, but no panic.
Once it is like retraced more than 50% of this candle, I would close like a 50% position.
London go wine you, but no panic. But actually, to be very honest, I didn't see buy is happening
Wow,
so
man, it's just
so
like testing my
cleanly
patience right now.
here.
Wow,
Man, manage that
look
risk,
at this
boy.
one.
Close half.
Should not be ranked like that, man.
Close half,
Have
boy.
to be close 50% position.
Yeah. In fact, I'll even exit this trade because
Should not be
it's
retraced
coming for
more
his
than
stop loss
50%.
100%. 100% is coming for that stop loss.
Look at this one. Market just like betrayed me.
Man,
Just
sorry,
like
boy.
betraying. Oh, oh damn. Oof. Should not be. Wow.
Man,
Wow. Not, I'm not gonna close anything. Let it hit myself. I'm not gonna replace myself. I will let it hit, but I'm just like gonna hold on with this one. London always like betrayed us. उस्ताद जी इतना गुस्सा यार बस गुस्सा ही आ गया मुझे तो उसको देख के. Like it's just like don't have a bottom wick. Why just like reacting like that? The candle is just like opening of London. We just like got a candle. We just like closed right on the support area, and there is a support on the left hand side as well. So this candle have no business to break the low of this previous candle low. So if it's just like going to hit my SL, I will just like call it a day. That's it. I don't like the way it just like moves opening of London. So I'm expecting that it should continuously pushing upside.
man,
Let's see.
something is happening here that I do not. 0.1,
Just like showing the volatility.
and he's having
London just
minus
like shit again. Yeah.
what?
Breaking the low. No need to worry. No need to like hold on with this trade.
Man, something is really
That's
going
it.
on here that I don't even understand.
No
I
need
have
to
to.
hold on with this trade.
I don't need
I'm just
to.
like done with the day actually.
You're done with the
Just
day?
like lose my profit from the previous day. Just done with the day. Not gonna execute anyone else.
Man, you see, this is why trading is fun at the end of the day. Because he was comfortable to buy there, and for me, I said no. For me, I cannot buy gold here. I cannot buy gold there. I really need to understand what is going on here because the PIP calculation of gold was looking so differently. It's looking so differently rather this morning. But I'll see when I eventually execute a trade. 1 hour is bearish basically, and that's it. Maybe today is going to be a character building day. Yeah, GJ is now retracing as we talked about. Today is going to be a character building day for us today because it's going to be a lot of waiting today. A lot of waiting. Mm, mm, mm. We cannot do anything on gold yet. Give me a minute, I'll be back. All right. Then it's gonna be a long wait, a very long wait. But yeah, we're going to wait. That's what traders do.
Doesn't make sense to me to book profits there, to be honest. It doesn't make sense. It's a red day for me. So Thursday is just like bring red day for me. Okay, so today gold trade is much difficult because it's just like overextended, I would say. Look at this one, man. I just like to took the loss at the same place with the same perspective. Same price level, I would say. But here it just like went up after getting me out. Yeah, it is whatever it is. So so ego makes bigger loss. It's not about the ego. I just like had a plan to do this already. Had a plan. It was not about the ego. So today, okay. So Kasabai booked 40 pips on new 50-minute bullish candle. Oh, why? This means you just like closing your trade early. It's just like not gonna work out on a for the long run. So on 30-minute it was an impulse entry. If you don't mind, can I explain your loss to you? Oh, wow. Okay, alright. Price drop by more than 40-50 pips into 30 minutes candle means a huge push to the downside. Your second mistake was executing on 50-minute time frame. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. What about the 30 minutes? Do you think I just go in this deep overthinking? I just like saw opportunity, just like executed. Doesn't matter. It's just like moving 450 pips, 100 pips. What about the previous month? What about the Asian session when market just like move 1000 100 and 1600. I would say 1600 pips in few minutes. What about that one? Why does my structure wasn't work in these days? I don't know what structure you are using. भाईजान पर एक बात भूल गए आप, क्योंकि जब भी आप सेशन ओपन होने से पहले ट्रेड लेते हो तो ये ऑलवेज फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम. नो, it's not with not about like it's the can just like lows and it's can't do anything. You guys just like come here daily for the profit and take some losses here as well. So why did you took that loss? It was impulse and intent. Oh man, you guys just like start doubting right now. Stop. Look at this one. Look at the real face of the people. People want to explain to you. Yes. There. Where they were when we just like continuously having like a winning streaks there. And then that they were just like sitting side and just like watching. Okay. I think people lost their accounts. Yeah, might be. Because even with a small lot size, you gonna get bigger stop loss, you're gonna get bigger profits as well. So ended this month in 1.5% loss. It was very tough for me. Like most of the trade goes half of the range. I book 50%, then it comes straight back to my break even. That is why my wins are lower than my losses. I am trying my best to manage risk. Top to cap is 50k. John, just like get proper grip on the risk management. Let me see this one. Okay, so it's nothing. It's just like I think 50k, 761. A beautiful thing. You're just like having one trade a day. Don't you think that why not to open a small lot size and leave it like a for a swing trade? It might cover your losses easily, but you have to go with a very low lot size. And you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking like a deeper pullback to the downside. I just like need a deeper pullback. So I wanted to take a buy from what is this? I actually wanted to take a buy from 5,000 to be honest. Somewhere from here. I'm just like going to put some money into my other account. Not much money, just like a 5k only, and try to open like if it's just like tapping to this area, I will try to open like 0.25, and if it just like come deeper, and I think so. If I'm just like executing somewhere here, my stop loss will be somewhere here. That's it. Just like wanted to play with this 5,000 bracket, this psychological number. We'll see. We'll see if I got any like a strong leg pull down. Wow man, look at this one, it's just like rejecting now. Look at the rejection right now. So I love this pen so much. Yeah, you used to. You just like have to absorb it in yourself. Like it's like very beautiful. It's just like gonna build you. Believe me. Keep taking it. So secure 10% profit on my first funded account today, sir. Very nice. Very nice. 10% profit. Ooh, very nice. क्या सर विनिंग ट्रेड नहीं मिल रही है, सर सी कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ कर रहा हूँ यार, फिर मुझे कैसे मिल जाती है अगर आपको नहीं मिल रही तो just like get a proper education there. For almost 2 years, I was not a profitable trader. After learning and applying Raja Bank concept with proper structure and discipline, Alhamdulillah, I am now consistently profitable. Now look at this one, Mr. What is your name? First thing first, just like change your name from ye Gold Ashik. change your name. Look at right after your message, someone just like write it down. For almost 2 years, I was not profitable trader. After learning, applying Raja Bank's concept with proper structure and discipline, Alhamdulillah, I am now consistently profitable. See this one. Uh, so yes, भाई लोगों का काम है बातें करना. Leave them. They are here for gambling, not for education. Yeah, true. Sometimes you took on the M5. No, I never use 5 minute time frame. I never use 5 minute time frame unless if there's like a huge news coming going on or something like that.
All right, man. It's going to be a lot of waiting because now this candle has to close. The next candle probably has to close. The next one also has to close. And maybe the next one also has to close. So the waiting is going to be long. So the only thing that we could, do here is already 9 a.m. It's already 9 a.m. So the only thing we'll have to do here now is keep an eye, maybe during the pre-NY section or within London section still. If we see a closure above here, if we get a closure above this area or a closure below this area, that is the only time. That is the only time I'm going to be taking gold buys here or gold sales or any trade at all. Right now, it's just going to be waiting and waiting and waiting. We could wait for another hour because this candle has about 10 minutes to close. The next 30 minutes candle we do its time, and we are not sure there will be a closure above this area in the next 30 minutes candle. So probably it will take another like 30 minutes candle, which is an hour candle to close. And obviously, I'm not going to be available to see that happen. So keep an eye. If you see a closure above this 5,600 area, or a closure below 5,400 area, 480 area, 480, then we could get a retracement at least to this area here. All right, for buys, if we break above here for buys, then potentially we'll keep pushing to the upside. So for now, you guys take care, and I will see you on Tuesday.
All right.
All right. YouTube, I'm gonna see you guys on Tuesday because we don't trade Fridays. I don't trade on Fridays and I don't trade on Mondays. So I'll see you again on Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy the rest of your weekend.